Hey guys, it's Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm on board a beautiful new brokerage listing here. This is a 2021 Scout 330 LXF. Absolutely beautiful boat. Very fierce looking. It's a black hull that shines better than new. As you can see, this one's got the Midnight Edition, black powder coating. Beautiful carbon fiber Edson steering wheel. I'm utilizing the Skyhook feature of the Mercury joystick. This particular boat is powered by twin 400 Mercury Verados. Black to color match the hull. Step back here on the swim platform. You can see you've got great access for handling lines, getting on and off the boat. Starboard side walk-through door. Very fishable cockpit. You've got the fold-out aft bench seat that's recessed so it doesn't take up too much space when it is in use. A bunch of rod holders, cup holders. You've got a live well here. Port side boarding door or dive door. As you can see, the ladder stows right there, hooks into place, swings inward. Both macerated fish boxes and bilge access in the center there. Back of the leaning post, we've got your freshwater sink, pull out freezer drawer, as well as a pull out Yeti on tracks that locks in place. Nice cutting board for either cocktail hour or for fishing. This one has Garmin electronics. Two beautiful touchscreen flush mounted displays. On the hardtop, we do have a Garmin dome radar. Beautiful upholstery on this boat, diamond stitched. Flip down bolsters on both sides. Actually has heated seats for the winter. Won't need it on a day like today here in North Carolina, but it does come in handy when you're going offshore in the cold. Scout does a really good job with the forward seating. The 330 LXF is no different. You've got your loungers, your chase here, cup holders, and both have armrests that fold down. All of these cushions are removable, typically stored in the console to make sure they're nice and clean. As you can see in some of the photos, this bow table raises. You can have it in the down position, the middle, with a cushion that goes over top of it to make this one big sun pad, or you can raise it all the way up and use it as a table. Again, beautiful example of Scout's fit and finish. The upholstery, beautiful powder coating, and more cup holders, rod holders. You've got your windlass for the anchor up forward. Got the Razor light bar, as well as the LED under the hardtop. Storage under here, as well as under all of the seats up front. Quick look in the console, or in the head. You can see you've got your battery switches, ignitions. You've got the vacuum flush head, fenders and covers, as well as the bow cushion. But this does convert into a bunk, and as you can see, it goes under there. Has AC inside and at the helm, just enough to cool you off. JL audio equipped in this boat. So you've got your zip wake trim tabs, have it on auto, just ran the boat. You don't have to mess with the trim tabs at all. Does everything for you. Very nice feature. Again, some more storage up in the hardtop. Beautiful Scout. More powder coated rocket launchers, as well as more speakers. This boat does come with the trailer. It is not bottom painted. If you have any questions for me about this boat, you can call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this gorgeous 2021 Scout 330 LXF. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.